This is Mr. Beast and this is real Mr. Beast. So hey friends, today I'll be trying some lazy twist to make Robux on Roblox. I think it has become a generic intro, isn't it? Though whatever, let's not focus on my intro, just focus on my
Accent, yes, accent. Let's focus on his accent.
No bro, no, don't. Just focus on my words. Today, just for fun. Yes,
Just for fun.
I'll be visiting some websites and installing some applications on my device. And yes, before starting the video, I want to clarify that this is just an experimental video, so don't take it seriously, and I will be trying that websites and application downloading in our cloud phone, not in my device. Okay, so don't download or use those application or websites in your real phone, or your device could be humbled. Okay, so I have got my device and let's get into our video. So before jumping onto any of these shady websites, we should keep a watch on our Robux. And I have absolutely 0 Robux cause I am poor. Please give me some Robux. Okay, so I searched for free Robux on my Chrome browser, and after some time of scrolling, I thought I should change my destination. So I added some more X on Robux so that it became free Robux. And after changing my destination, I scrolled for minutes and minutes. Then I finally found some websites called RBX Plus. I didn't even hesitate for a second to click on that website, and I clicked on it. And after some time, it was loading. Yes, it was loading and loading. It was loading. It is now loading. Okay, loading is cancelled. I mean, it's done. Again loading? Okay, after loading was finished, it asked for my username in Roblox. So I typed my Roblox username and give it to them. And when I clicked on OK, it again said loading and loading. Oh yeah, loading. Don't worry bro, this website not even gonna work. So after that all loading, I clicked on earn tab where I can earn, I think I can earn Robux. Then there I scrolled for a little bit of time cause I love scrolling. Then I found a 3 minutes of survey where I can get 18 points. Then the page gave me a pure flashbang cause the page was absolutely white, but I never stopped my scrolling, so I scrolled a little bit up and found the questions of the survey. So here it says, are you currently living in US? I said no. Let me select another country. Let me select bro. Okay, I live in US. No answers? I mean bro, none of their options were working. So I closed all the tabs on Chrome browser and slept. Now you can ask me that why didn't I go deeper in websites? I mean there are more websites. But you know bro, I didn't get my cloud phone trial, so I have to use my own device. So I can't afford to lose this device cause I am, you know right, I am poor.